Want this awesome text fill animation in CapCut? It takes less than a minute to create, and I'll also show you how to export a thumbnail directly from your project. Let's get started.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Start by adding a text layer and typing whatever you want. Stretch the text layer to match the length of your clip. Then choose your preferred font. Increase the size if necessary. Once that's done, duplicate the text. Hide the top text layer for now and focus on the one underneath. Change its color to something that stands out. Scroll down to stroke. Switch the stroke color to white and reduce the thickness to around 15. Turn the text into a compound clip. Then go to Video. Select Remove Background and choose Chroma Key. Use the color picker to select the standout color inside the text. This removes the fill and leaves you with a clean outlined text effect. Bring back the top text layer and change it to your preferred color. Convert it into a compound clip as well. Go to Video, choose Mask, then Add Mask, and select Split. Rotate the mask to about -73 degrees and position it at the beginning of the text. Add a keyframe for the mask position. Move the playhead forward roughly 2 seconds. Then drag the mask to the opposite side of the text. CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe. To smooth the animation, right-click the final keyframe, select Show All Presets, and apply Quad Ease. And just like that, you've created a clean text fill animation. Now let's create a thumbnail. Move back to the frame you want to use and import your thumbnail image. Place it on the timeline and position the text wherever it looks best. To make it clear what the video is about, I'll add my CapCut logo as well. Once you're happy with the layout, click the 3 dots at the top right, choose Export Still Frame, give your thumbnail a name, and hit Export. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tricks. I'll see you in the next video.